Using resource manager templates will make your deployments faster and more repeatable. For example, you no longer have to create a virtual machine in the portal, wait for it to finish, and then create the next VM and so on. Resource Manager template takes care of the entire deployment for you. ARM templates have a lot of benefits. They improve consistency in deploying resources. So if you ever have to deploy the same set of resources again and again for similar environments like dev, test, or prod, you just have to pull the trigger, execute the code, and it does the deployment for the entire infrastructure stack for you. That means that all your complex deployments are worked out simply by ARM template code in JSON. Administrators are usually bombarded with deployments and multiple infrastructure related activities. And it is quite possible to forget to change certain parameters on that virtual machine or edit the properties of that storage account. ARM templates reduces the manual efforts and hence reducing any scope of mistakes or human errors.